My video guide is about removing a new adware called DebugCompile. DebugCompile is the adware that belongs to the adload family. This particular adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. If this adware was found on your computer, it will definitely create a mess on your browser. It attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox browsers, by the way. So, to remove this adware, you need to find this adware first of all. To do it, go to your Finder, check your applications, locate this DebugCompile, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.